on the phone with the kid.
T, come across the street. I need some more money. Well, I just got jumped. All right. Look here. I'm taking all day. I need some more money. Listen, look, I'm gonna need some more money. Them two twins come over here and jump me behind your little escapades. Now I need compensation. Go ahead, y'all, so break me off.
Man, so much shit done changed since we done left, man.
For real though, bro. This really some bullshit though. Man, some ain't adding up. We done been down here 2 days and still ain't found out shit about our uncle death.
Man, and now Unc dead and the Lodi promised us, ain't there?
Hold on. Ain't you the nigga from the funeral?
Oh yeah, y'all the twins, ain't it? I remember y'all when y'all was little bitty.
Man, we just trying to figure out what happened to Unc, man. So we gonna stay down a couple more days. But you ain't heard nothing at all?
Last thing I heard was about this guy named Chief was the ones called the ambulance the night that it happened to Big D.
Chief?
Yeah.
We're looking for that nigga too.
Ain't nobody heard from him ever since that night.
Man, so this nigga Chief, he was the last person to see him. Now he missing.
That don't add up.
Yeah, something ain't making sense to him. These niggas is useless.
Useless as fuck.
Man, Slim, I know y'all ain't talking about I'm useless. Downtown Mafia, and I'm useless. Look, check this out. We having a meeting tonight. No guns allowed. How about y'all twins check in?
All right,
I sure will.